going to be this side length here. We're going to add together this side length plus this side length. That's going to give us the total south distance. So we'll call that x. Which ratio would I use for this?
Sine.
I think it's sine. We've got
Cos.
the angle there.
Cos.
What is this one? The adjacent.
Cos. Trust me.
Hypotenuse. Anybody?
Cos.
Yeah, cos. Awesome. Thank you. So cos 77 degrees 49.
Smart.
Anyone get that for me?
那个他用的是那个角，我用的是那个角，就是我们三角形不一样。我用的是就是那个角。
Anybody? Jack? Can you give me an answer for your calculator?
Yep, show me. What do you? That's not an answer.
Is your name Jack?
I just made the first one.
E minus 4. If it said that, then it's wrong.
I'll go with this one.
Yeah, 41.15.
Okay. And that's in kilometers. Okay. So now the second part of the journey, we can also bring it out and make it into a triangle. So this will be a right angle. We know this distance traveled 104. And this information, you can kind of like almost ignore the first part, as if it didn't even happen, and just start fresh. Because people get confused when they start seeing all the different angles. That's one part of the journey, that's done. This is the other part of the journey, okay? How would I find this angle here? If we know this one is 213 degrees 22 minutes. What would it be if it went all the way up to there? 270, yeah. So it's pretty much 270 degrees minus.
Oh, wait, 56. And 40.
Okay, so we again want to find the south distance. We're going to add these two together. Which ratio would we use? We've got angle, opposite, hypotenuse. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Through which ratio would we use?
Tan. Oh
Opposite.
wait, hypotenuse. Sine.
Yeah, sine. Okay, so sine 270 minus 213 equals y over 104. Y equals that's where your calculator will give you the answer.
I love this.
Don't all yell it out at once. Yeah. King, have you got your calculators there?
Right.
I have this calculator.
Anyone got this one? Do you have it?
Why did you find
What is it?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Can you tell me this one? Yeah.
Oh, let's see. Oh, just give me.
Okay.
Jay, do you have one? We have a discussion.
You don't go to the company.
Did you put SIN instead of actually sign? Because you got to this page, how do you go? Now we have to do it individually.
86.8.
86 by 86.
Did you get that as well?
Wait, what was that? We have to find that statement.
You have to use this function.
Hold on. Oh my God, you just gotta have. Oh, this is that should be enough. Yeah.
I should be able to do it in my head, shouldn't I?
Miss,
Friday though.
This is 8.6. One question for each.
Is that right? Is that right?
Oh, probably.
Actually? Okay, and then you would write your answer nicely, explaining what you found.
eventually they will. Miss,
And now the moment of truth, yes?
I wonder why I've got different answers. So is it the correct?
Where did you get the 33.22 from?
It's 270 plus, no, subtract from 230. Oh, maybe I got, oh, sorry, I got the wrong answer. Maybe.
Yeah, if it was me, I would just calculate 270. How do I get degrees?
Yeah, so maybe you can just go like, degrees.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, maybe this one is better.
Yeah,
This way.
yeah.
How did that say?
Speak of it.
Now let's see if all of that, if we got it right. Wouldn't it be awful if we got it wrong? I'll feel bad. Okay, draw the situation. Ta-da! That's okay. 102. Okay.
Oh, they did a different one.
Yeah, they did, didn't
They
they?
found out that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep, that is different. Hopefully you should still get the same answer.
I know page versus.
Okay, cool. Each section of the journey should be dealt with and calculated separately. S1, S2. So that's opposite over hypotenuse. 41.15. Yes, that's what we got for S1. Yay, we got S1 right. Okay. S2. Yay, we got that right too. Okay. They've used different triangles. So this is actually good to show you that you can do it different ways. As long as you're accurate, you should get it. You should still get it right. Okay,
Da-da-da-da. Sign, we need cosine.
cool. Hope we all understand. Okay. Yeah. So just the hints on the drawing, I'll just reiterate. If you have a trick that has multiple legs, like you do this bit and then you change direction, you do that bit, and then change direction, you do that bit. Each one, where you start that new part of the journey, needs a new compass to get that new direction correctly, okay? All right, do we want to try this one? I'll give you like 5 minutes to have a go at this one by yourselves, okay? And then we'll go through it.
You finished? Did you go to food check?
You understand more of this, okay? Vivian, did my email go through? I'll explain.
Bushwalk.
You having a go at this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, you understanding okay?
Yeah.
Can I erase off this one? Have we all got notes from this?
我应该是初一、初二才学会骑自行车。
So, it's asking once you get the street and then second trip. What really, what area should I try to
就是从原点到
How are you?
原点到
This is the worksheet. Yeah, I would recommend. So you go to resources and
就
then
是就是精确到度就行了，不需要
bearings, and it will take you through step by step. So read it really carefully, and if you have questions, you know. There's also a website I'm going to get everyone to go to after this, and that is really helpful as well. Shall we start with the diagram? Yes? Okay. So I'll give you another little helpful hint with
反
drawing.
正就是求它的距离。
It can help to just visualize. Are we all listening? It can help to visualize what directions the trip is going before you start your drawing.
相对于
Reason for that is obviously you have a set amount of space in your book, and if you start up here and then you discover the person has gone this way and then they've gone that way, you've obviously like run out of space. Whereas if you start here and you then realize, oh, the person's gone that way and then that way, again, you've cramped your diagram in a very unhelpful way. So if we start by visualizing, okay, what does the journey look like approximately, then you can center it in your page in the space that you've got the maximum space to do your diagram clearly. Also, big diagrams is really helpful for this. Big and accurate as you can. So we know the first part of the journey, traveling from home, 70 degrees true. So true bearings, we start north, 70 degrees is about there, and we're going in this direction for 6K. Okay, so the first start part of the journey is going up, so you wouldn't want to start here and then have no space. The second part of the journey is north, 25 degrees east. So again, it's also an upward direction. So knowing that, I'm going to start down here. This is our starting point. 70 degrees true. Are we all following along okay? Yes? 6 kilometers.
Is that what's
Okay. And now we start the second part of the journey. Brand new compass. We ignore the first part, starting fresh from here. Okay. And then we go north 25 degrees east. North 25. Or 10 kilometers. Okay? Makes sense? Is that kind of what other people do? Okay. And then we can extract our 2 triangles from this. So we've got one right angle triangle here, and we've got another right angle triangle here. Okay. What the question is asking is what direction should the bushwalker travel to return to the starting point? So they're actually asking if the bushwalker walks back home like that, what is the bearing from here? That is what they're asking. So you pretty much need to find a few different angles to get that answer. So let me think about this actually. It's not quite that.
我是问的是从这
This
边
is at the nearest degree.
Yes.
Should you just
就是 correct degree 精确到度这样子。
it is represent the result have to be
Yeah, so the result is degrees, true bearings. So I can make this into one big triangle. We can see that this length or this distance is given by this length plus this length. So let's do something. 70. Okay, I want to find this one here. Which ratio would I use? Cos. Thank you. cos x, oops, not x, cos 70, x over 6. Okay, then this one here, 10 and 25. I want to find this one there, right? Which ratio would I use for that? Cos again, yeah. Cos,
Tao还那个点为原点，色彩。
we can also find this lane plus this lane will give us this. Yeah?
I have to go.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Can I charge my device here?
这两个三角形的这几个点都是他们知道大的三角形的点，从而算出总。
Okay, so I also want to find and B. Is anyone still following along? We'll be trying it. Yeah? What did we get for x? 6 times cos 70 degrees? Did anyone put this in the calculator? What? 6 times cos 70, please. Yes. B. We need both. Because y plus x is going to give us this full distance there. And b plus a plus b is going to give us this. We get it with this brand new triangle.
It says it's 2.05.
This one? Thank you. 2.05. Okay, what about y? 10 times cos 25. Ten times 9.06, thank you. Okay, x plus y. Is that right? Okay. A plus b, 6 times 4.23. Thank you. What about 6 times sine 70 degrees? Thank you. 638. Okay, so we now have this new big triangle. We've got a distance along the bottom of 9.8. Distance along the side. Hopefully my calculations are correct. And we want to know this angle here. Which ratio would I use? I need to know the angle, I've got the opposite, and I've got the adjacent.
And negative.
Inverse tan equals da 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 da. 41.6. 41.65 degrees. Okay, now we're up to the final step. This is where the hiking has ended up, or the bushwalker. This is where they need to go. What bearing do they travel? So we have our compass here. We need to get back home. They're in a direct line, so we need to know the bearing there. We can do it either true bearings or compass bearing. They have said true bearings. So we want this distance, 180 plus 41.61. Is that right?
I thought one did you.
Did I add it up correctly?
It's rounded to 22.
It's 222.
To the nearest degree, yes. 222.
You said 265.
All right, now let's see what they did. If there's anything like. Draw the situation.
You have to score 3,000.
Good.
Oh, I get punished.
Draw right angle triangle.
Yeah.
So I'm purposely trying to do what I think they did, and now they did the other one. Isn't this great?
That's so why.
So annoying.
Was cold. Oh my days. I'm gonna get the
Gold on Sunday.
Well, the answers
It's up
seem
there.
to match, which is good.
Yeah, you don't have to.
Okay. Total distance east, total distance north.
Why did you say you get one? Yeah, exactly.
Ta-da!
Just take the rest of the world. Rest of the world.
This is good.
Exaggeration, alliteration.
This is very good. Yay!
Oh, we're good.
Good job, everybody. Thank you. That's a big question. Okay. Now, go to your lesson plan and click on this link.
Oh my God.
No, you didn't. He's useless.
Where did you put?
Only allowed to Real Madrid. You should have said you. Yesterday. Or like when you watch before.
Okay, so on the lesson plan, there's a link. Please click on this link and then this is the website to get, okay? It's interactive, this thing. It's cool. Okay, that's on the lesson plan. Have to go with it.
Oh.
Are you guys U or P? You know, like your 10 maths, your U.
It's like closer to the school.
You know what it's supposed to mean? Capital, but they don't let me.
还有40分钟。今天上的课已经算这个。
Oh, yes. What's one on? Because she never even looked at
I got a book.
就是那个模拟，一般都是
Go check them.
我上次这个数学这个大哥，这回算是下学期的，下学期有哪些新？刚开始啊，然后就是提起你这个比这个你所有的课程都在，我们没有上的。
Yeah, exactly. You try to come around.
Oh wait, we don't have to. Oh wait.
哦，这个是我今天选的。
Why not?
我这个是一个 system， 直接要跟里。对啊。 我不知道，你应该会还让你再选。搞不好我下学期跟你去年里打板一台戏，那也可以。希望是一门普通的 EdTech。
有我也黑了。
我中文上的。
Mommy thinks he should start.
Well, I'm joking. You do think you're
Well, you know.
他应该会专门有不需要打的方面。
I just go GPU go to it like that.
You're gonna do.
Nothing much.
Please do try that website on the lesson plan and the link. It's quite helpful.
他还有设计小练习
I'm
呢。
gonna do work checks now and see what you're all up to. Hello.
Oh shit. I only did my work online. I only did my work online. I didn't write them down. To write it all down the weekend. I have to write them all down on the weekend.
Oh yeah, that's.
I know you can prove the whole check, but you don't have to.
21了吧？
To change it. And you understand all Leo, can I see what work you have to? Have you done part two?
Yeah, but no 5.4 and
Oh, yeah. This is not the one that you
I
would.
don't know.
Wait, can I see the rest? Like 5.2. Okay. Put that 5. So if you want to do that. Okay, let me ask you. You've got work to show. Okay. Like 5.2, 3, 4. I think that was holiday.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah.